Hi guys! Welcome sa Zipnayan. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung ating series on conversion among percent, fraction at saka decimals. No? So sa video na to pag-aaralan na natin kung paano ba mag-convert, no? From percent to fraction. No? So tignan natin yung unang number. This is 28%. Percent. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng percent nga? Nabanggit ko na ito sa inyo before. Yung cent means came from the root word centum, no? Which means 100. So pag sinabi mong 28%, meaning 28 per 100, or one way of writing it is 28 over 100. So ayun na yan, fraction na yan, di ba? At paano natin yan ilo-lowest terms? Siyempre, pag sumasagot tayo sa exam, for example, naka-lowest term siya dapat. So, 28 divided by? Naisip niyo ba kung anong number? That's 4, no? Mukhang obvious, no? So, this is equal to 7/25, no? Or 7 over 25. Number 2 is 42%. So, meaning 42 hundreds, no? 42 over 100. 42 hundredths. Sorry, mali yung pronunciation ko. So, 42 over 100 or 42 hundredths. And again, dapat nating i-lowest terms. So, 42 divided by 2, I think. Medyo obvious itong mga given natin, no? Pag ni-lowest terms natin. So, this is 21 over 50. Wala na ba? Wala na bang pwedeng i-divide? Wala na, no? Number 3 is 4.6%, which is equal to 4.6 over 100. So, napapansin nyo pag sinabi mong percent, 100 yung kanyang denominator kasi per 100. So, pag 100 na yung denominator, may fraction ka na. All you have to do is to reduce to lowest terms. No? But here, we have a decimal, no, doon sa numerator. So, para matanggal yung decimal, di ba, minumultiply natin by 10, di ba? May powers of 10, no? Kasi isa lang yung decimal number natin. So, by 10 lang. Pag dalawa, 100. Pag tatlo, 1,000, di ba? So, this is 46 over 1,000, which is equal to, divided by 2, that's 23 over 500. Makaisip pa ba kayo ng pwedeng i-divide para i-lowest terms? Para ma-lowest terms natin. So, number 4, we have 0.25%. So, this is equal to 0.25 over 100. And again, hindi pwede to. So, 0.25 times 100 kasi dalawa yung decimal numbers natin. And we have 100 times 100, which is equal to 25 over 10,000. And para ma-lowest terms yan, I guess obvious naman na both are divisible by 25. So 25 divided by 25 is 10,000 divided by 25, which is equal to 1 over ilan? 40 or 400? So yung 100, dinivide natin sa 25, magiging 4 ito, di ba? Pag may dalawa pa tayong zeros, so that's 400. Oh, sorry. Bakit divided by 4? Divided by 25. So dito, that's 4, tapos may dalawang zeros ka. That's 400. 1 over 400. And lastly, we have 148 over 100. Mukhang parehong divisible by 4. So, 148 divided by 4, 100 divided by 4. That is equal to, ano ang 148 divided by 4? That's 3, di ba? 12. And then 28. That's 7. So, that's 37 over 25. Okay, so ang key dito is yung divisibility rules. So, dapat medyo familiar kayo kung anong divisibility. For example, yung 148. Alam ko na divisible siya by 4 because the last 2 digits are divisible by 4. So, pag yung last 2 digits niya ay, yung number na yun ay divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. Okay, so yan yung ating rule. So kung napapansin nyo, mag-generalize tayo. Lahat ng percent, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng denominator na 100 because percent really means per 100. No? Tapos, syempre, pag pwede na siya i-lowest terms ay kailangan i-lowest terms. Kasi sa lahat ng exams, no, at quizzes ninyo sa high school tsaka sa elementary at sa college of course, ay naka-lowest terms lahat ng fractions dapat. Pangalawa, pag mayroong decimal point, no, at may may numbers to the right of decimal point, dapat tanggalin natin yung decimal point by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by 10, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, no? Powers of 10, no? Para matanggal yung decimals. No? Okay, so I think yan yung pinaka-general steps, no, ng pag-convert ng percent to fractions. Maraming salamat. And gusto ko i-invite sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/9ph, our Facebook page, facebook.com/zip9ph, and our website, zip9.com. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.